In this video, we invite you to experience the luxury of our incredible tiny house tour. One of the best things about downsizing is greater overall control. Every single detail matters, and it's in your power to take care of that. From the moment you set eyes on the exterior, you'll be impressed by the clean lines, sharp angles, and attention to detail that went into its design. The white and gray color scheme gives the tiny house a sophisticated and timeless look that's sure to turn heads. Although only 4.3 meters high and 7.2 meters long, this tiny home includes a welcoming living area. The sofa sits strategically next to the large windows, so that you also get to enjoy a nice view while the entire spot benefits from natural light. You could even opt for an L-shaped lounge with extra storage underneath that feels more lavish and can convert to a guest bed. The kitchen is also specifically designed with windows on each side. Together with the ceiling fan, they ensure the cross ventilation that is so important in small dwellings. They bring fresh air and light in while keeping unwanted bugs out, thanks to the insect screens. Lighting is another important detail that can totally transform a space. When it comes to tiny homes, discrete LED lights that can be incorporated without taking too much space in strategic areas are one of the best choices. Both the kitchen and the bathroom of the Clunes feature overhead task lighting, while wall-mounted reading lights were added in the loft rooms. The kitchen comes with an oven and a full-size fridge, plus plenty of storage both above and underneath the bench. The team at Northern Rivers Tiny Homes even made sure that the staircase leading to the loft bedroom was well lit, with two-way switches making things easier and safer when you need to go downstairs at night. The bathroom reveals a full-size framed shower and even a laundry space that can fit in a 4.6 kilograms washing machine. In the bathroom, the addition of easy-to-clean, subway tile panels is both elegant and helpful. The Clunes home on wheels was designed to withstand even the toughest Australian weather, and that says a lot. Plus, it can even be converted into an off-grid haven on wheels. The Northern Rivers Tiny Homes builder isn't a big company, but it makes all of its homes solar-ready and offers an interesting off-grid package that includes a composting toilet and a gray water management system. Plus, rainwater can be collected from the roof and stored in a dedicated tank, which this Aussie Tiny even more sustainable. The Clunes version with all the bells and whistles will go up to odd $125,000, but there are also basic versions available for much less.